using Affirm at Home Depot is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Affirm at Home Depot. So the process is pretty simple. You need to be at their website and you need to select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this product. I'm going to add it to my cart, and after that, I'll do the checkout. So suppose I want to buy this product, so I'm just going to click on the checkout, and it will take me to the checkout option, and they will want me to log in first. After logging in, they will want me to put the address as well, and after that, you will see various payment options, but you won't be able to find Affirm. So how can you use Affirm to pay? You will easily be able to find the payment option for a credit card. You just need to select that, and you need to have an Affirm's card like that. So for that, you have to, in order to get a card like that, you need to go to the Affirm's Affirm's application, and in the application you can simply select the card section. You can easily get the virtual card as well, or you can simply order a card for yourself. So you just need to put these information of your card to your Home Depot, and your payment should be deducted from your Affirm. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.